was really a missed opportunity. She held back again. So, kaya malungkot ako kasi parang wala. She let the Latinas shine last night. Will give again tomorrow night. Kontento na ako maging top 30 na tayo. Kontento na ako maging top 30 tayo. Kasi ayoko rin naman pilitin si Chelsea na mag-exert ng more effort para like Venezuela, Dominican Republic because hindi naman talaga siya ganun. Ayoko na rin pilitin si Chelsea. Oy, may nagtanong dito, have you already from Minecraft gamer, nega ka naman masyado. You know, Minecraft, if you have been following for 7 years, you know how I've been doing, how I have been